Louis Moinet recently unveiled a modernized and streamlined version of its flagship chronograph collection in the form of the Memoris Spirit. Thanks to its clever construction, the compact Memoris Spirit is still able to house all the mechanical components of the much larger preceding version. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box, so you can check them out later. But for now, keep on watching as we go hands-on with the Louis Moinet Memoris Spirit to discover all the details of this streamlined interpretation of the original Memoris. As an authorized retailer of Louis Moinet, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the latest Louis Moinet models, including this Memoris Spirit. Explore this timepiece at Les Ambassadeurs Espace Connaisseur Lounge in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. An independent watch company based in St. Blaise, Switzerland, Louis Moinet is an ultra-exclusive brand that only produces a few hundred timepieces per year. The company is named after the preeminent 19th century watchmaker, astronomer, and artist Louis Moinet, who not only created important timepieces for Napoleon, world leaders, including European royalty and American presidents such as Thomas Jefferson, but also changed horology forever with his pioneering chronograph. Besides his stunning achievements as a watchmaker, the fact that he taught school at the School of Fine Arts and was president of the Paris Chronometry Society and the friend and an advisor of Abraham Louis Breguet shows how much his knowledge was respected. Today, the brand's uniquely creative mechanical and artistic approach, using exotic materials such as lunar or Martian meteorite or fossilized palm wood, and the core values such as creativity, exclusivity, art, and design have enabled Louis Moinet to win over 50 of the world's most prestigious awards. The compteur de tierces, invented by Louis Moinet in 1816, was the world's first chronograph. Once lost to history, Louis Moinet's compteur de tierces was rediscovered in 2012. As a result, Louis Moinet was rightly crowned the inventor of the chronograph. The Guinness World Record awarded Louis Moinet with the title of First Chronograph. The revolutionary timepiece was also the first high-frequency stopwatch, beating at an unprecedented 216,000 vibrations per hour and awarded a second Guinness World Record for high frequency. In 2016, Louis Moinet introduced the Memoris watch in honor of the 10th anniversary of the Atelier Louis Moinet and the 200th anniversary of the compteur de tierces. The original Memoris watch from 2016 measured a generous 46 mm in diameter and featured the chronograph mechanism on the dial side rather than on the caseback. The Memoris Spirit takes the essence of that single-pusher chronograph but reimagined in a more compact and modern version. The Louis Moinet Memoris Spirit measures a very wearable 40.7 mm. One of the defining features of the watch is the prominent domed sapphire crystal above the dial, along with the double reading flange beneath it. The inner part of the flange records the minutes, while the outer segment serves as the seconds index. Replacing the traditional exterior bezel with an inner one allowed Louis Moinet to create an expansive view of the dial despite the smaller case size. The case also features a new, more fluid crown support, while the design of the case sides has been updated to include open-worked lugs with a subtle satin-brushed curve on the top. The crown is engraved with the fleur de lis, which is, of course, the company's signature symbol. The single pump-style chronograph pusher is found at the 2 o'clock position. It features a clou de Paris hobnail pattern, which not only adds a fantastic design touch, but also offers a better grip. The Memoris Spirit is water-resistant to 50 meters. As is the case with many high horology timepieces, the star of the show on this watch is the dial. Similar to the original Memoris, the chronograph mechanism of the Memoris Spirit is visible from the dial. As the inventor of the chronograph, Louis Moinet places great pride in this timing mechanism, which is why the manufacturer places the chronograph mechanism in full view, including the column wheel and horizontal clutch, via the dial. With one press of the single chronograph pusher, the wearer is treated to seeing the levers, clutch, hammers, column wheel, springs, and wheels set in motion. The convex 2-part dial features a sunburst chronograph plate to show off the chronograph mechanism. At the 3 and 9 o'clock positions sit the 2 chronograph counters, a 60-second counter and a 30-minute counter. Also on the dial is an off-centered subdial placed at 6 o'clock for the hours and minutes display. The hands on this subdial are faceted, which sweep around to point to a mix of numerals and stick indices. Louis Moinet offers a few dial choices ranging from elegant editions that mix rose gold and silver tones to sportier executions with dynamic blue accents. Regardless of the specific dial colorways, the trio of chronograph hands is always fashioned in bold red. Powering the Louis Moinet Memoris Spirit watch is the in-house automatic caliber LM84. It operates at 28,800 vibrations per hour and offers a power reserve of 48 hours. The Memoris Spirit requires the production of 147 components for the upper part, dedicated to the chronograph, and 164 components for the lower part, corresponding to the self-winding movement. In true fine watchmaking fashion, the Louis Moinet movement is beautifully finished and decorated. For instance, the movement's rotor is adorned with the concentric Clou de Paris hobnail pattern and the fleur de lis emblem. All of this is visible through the sapphire crystal exhibition case back. The Louisiana alligator leather strap of the Memoris Spirit is specifically designed to be integrated into the case and to promote maximum comfort. The triple blade folding clasp is shaped in a curved fleur de lis and offers fine adjustment to easily find that perfect fit. Aside from its good looks, the watch is exceedingly comfortable on the wrist. The size and sleek shape make this an ideal timepiece for a range of wrist sizes. The Louis Moinet Memoris Spirit is priced at 45,000 Swiss francs. Like all pieces made by Louis Moinet, the new Memoris Spirit was developed for connoisseurs of fine watchmaking. From its sleek new design to its expansive view of the chronograph's inner workings from the dial, the Memoris Spirit is ideal for collectors looking for a unique high-end chronograph to add to their collection. As the inventor of the chronograph, Maison Louis Moinet understands the importance of continuing the progression of the chronograph while maintaining its unique brand aesthetics. In our opinion, this is a highly successful and impressive evolution of the company's original Memoris model that will certainly find an audience among watch enthusiasts and connoisseurs. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have this beautiful Memoris Spirit watch available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. What do you think of the Memoris Spirit timepiece? What did you like the most about this timepiece? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other Louis Moinet timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.